Action words with sentences. Part 1. I am sweeping the floor. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am taking a shower. I am taking a shower. I am swimming in the pool. I am swimming in the pool. I am running in the park. I am running in the park. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am pushing the cart. I am pushing the cart. I am pulling. I am pulling. He is crying. He is crying. He is laughing. He is laughing. I am sitting. I am sitting. He is drinking water. He is drinking water. He is eating his meal. He is eating his meal. She is reading books. She is reading books. She is writing a story. She is writing a story. She is cutting vegetables. She is cutting vegetables. He is cutting his nails. He is cutting his nails. I am jumping with joy. I am jumping with joy. I am dancing. I am dancing. He is singing a beautiful song. He is singing a beautiful song. I am sliding in the slide. I am sliding in the slide. I am thinking about homework. I am thinking about homework. I am smelling the beautiful flowers. I am smelling the beautiful flowers.